ERP for dental equipment and supplies companies. As a dental equipment and supplies company, you have a lot of moving parts to keep track of. You probably have a system for accounting management, one for sales, another one for supply chain operations, and a few more. So you likely have a lot of manual processes. And demand planning is difficult. Keeping track of serialized inventory is a nightmare, which makes audits even more painful than they have to be. As your company grows, it becomes harder for you to handle a higher volume of sales orders, ultimately making it difficult for you to keep up with your customer demands, and costing you serious money down the road. At Concentris, we understand your challenges, the time cost to your company, and the long-term opportunity cost that these challenges present. That's why we recommend NetSuite, a powerful cloud-based ERP solution that puts all of your data in one place and provides the flexibility you need to streamline your business operations. It combines all of the functions you need to run your business and houses your data in a centralized location. Easily automate your day-to-day business processes to save your company time. Process a higher volume of orders quickly and efficiently, make audits a breeze, and reduce the risk of human errors. Also, the warehouse management features of NetSuite improve picking accuracy to support your higher volume of orders. By having all of the data you count on in one system, demand planning becomes easy. The vendor management tools in NetSuite will help you improve your vendor relations across your supply chain. And most importantly, NetSuite provides multiple channels for your customers to interact with you, while giving you access to their entire order history and customer notes. Better customer service means more long-term customers for you, and ultimately more profit. How will you start maximizing your time and reduce your expenses? Contact us for a free on-site assessment of your systems and processes at www.concentris.com or call us at 877-348-1165.